Hello everyone, welcome back to Apple Bay. My name is Gonzalo and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pack your iMac with the original box. Doesn't matter if it is 21.5 inch or 27 inch. It's the same for both. Let's start it. First of all, don't forget you have to pack your cable and your keyboard. With the cable we can make like a lasso or just a roll. Like that. Then we place on the bottom of the polystyrene. There are two bottom places. You can do on the left, on the right. They have like a little pocket on the bottom. Yeah. So the easiest way to do, just squeeze a little bit. Squeeze. And just push in. That's it. And it's quite secure. We have the keyboard. The keyboard go on the top of the polystyrene. I'll show you in a minute. The most important thing is if you try to place this polystyrene just like that, it won't fit. That is the mistake people make when they pack these iMacs on these boxes. It's quite tricky to put. Apple make a very beautiful design, but it's a bit tricky to put it in because even if you try to lift it, it does not fit. So the way to do it is that you have a flat bit on the front and a curve on the back. It's the same shape as the iMac. If you look at it, in the back is curved and the front is flat. So we need the little pocket go to the back, on the side, and slip in. This one is the same. Slide, and that's it. That's the easiest, that's the difficult part. Not so difficult when you know how to do it. The bottom one, they have a groove. I'll show you. Coming close. They have this groove. This groove is got the shorter bit, go to the front. So you align a little bit here on the other side. Just push it in. Very simple. And this go on the top here. It got a little pocket or a little groove. This is the place where this little box live. Don't forget to put these two items are very important because this is part of the iMac. When you bought this iMac, you bought it with the keyboard, with the mouse. So at the time you pack this one for sale or even for moving around, you have to put this inside. I'm going to show you something else because it's very, very important. Inside the box, we have these two little steps. This is very, very important. You must keep these steps. They have like a kind of like triangle shape. That is the shape of the leg as well. So when you put the screen inside, make sure that the actual screen is to the front, not to the back. Otherwise, it will interfere with the polystyrene and it won't close properly. If you don't pack the machine the way I show you, or putting all the parts together as it meant to be from factory, they will get damaged on transit. I'm going to finish this packaging. Okay. That's the easy bit. Make sure you push both together, otherwise we slip. Put on top of the little step, like this one, and the leg is hanging. As you see, the leg is not touching the bottom of the case. So it doesn't matter if the courier dropped the box or by accident you drop the box. the iMac won't get damaged because the leg is floating. Then it's just this, the matter of closing the box, putting some tape, putting some labels if you're going to shipping, and you're ready to go. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and see you next time. Bye.